ஆமாம்.
நீ அங்கே பேர்
பூஜா சுஜா கார்த்தி
நீ சிஸ்டத்தில் உட்காந்துல தேவை சரி
சார் வா சொல்லிதான்
ஒன்றும் இல்லை நீ போனா வா அக்கா தான் போனா வா நான் போனா இல்லை நீ கிளம்பு நீ பின்னாடி நீ எடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிரு சரி முன்னாடி இருந்து எல்லாத்தையும் எடுக்கும் இப்போ போய் முதல்ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கல முன்னாடி லைட் ஆரம்பிக்கல
Good morning everyone. We are going to start the finals. So we have
live கேபிளை கொண்டா பவர் பேங்க்
அந்த ஸ்கிரீன்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் தரணும்.
ஸ்கிரீன் தள்ளு.
Okay, we are going to start the finals for intercollegiate science quiz. We have 6 teams. The teams are arranged on one side for the convenience of the teams. யாராவது நடுவில் போவாங்க வருவாங்க அது இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்றதுக்காக தான் ஒரே சைடாக அதுவும் அந்த சைடாக வச்சுருக்கிறதுக்காக யாராவது போனாலும் வந்தாலும் அங்கே டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆகுது. ஸோ பேக் ரோவில் we are starting with team A and நடுவில் இருக்கவங்க team B, இங்கே இருக்கவங்க team C, and in the front row we have team D, team E and team F. Welcome all the 6 teams. Wish you all the best. We will now start the finals straight away. And the first round of the finals is called semi-finals. Okay. Right.
லைட் செக் பண்ண வருதாங்க.
So during
லைவ்
this
வருதாங்க
round,
பாரு.
okay. You will be getting a preliminary answer sheets. Write down write down numbers from 1 up to 20 on the back side of the sheet. The sheet the back side of 1 by 0 the sheet. In this round, each correct answer gives you 5 marks. Yes. என்னப்பா முடிச்சாச்சா? Yes. Right. Okay, start. The rules are very simple. You just start to write down the answer. The answer will be A, B, C, D or E. Okay. Answer will be A, B, C, D or E. See, volunteers, particular நிக்காதீங்க volunteers. You go to that corner, please. On the corner, okay. Right. So, அவங்களுக்கு மறைக்க ஒரு வாலண்டியர் மட்டும் உட்கார்ந்தா நல்லது. Fine. A correct answer will give you 5 marks. No minus for wrong answer. கண்டிப்பா ஏதாவது ஆன்சர் எழுதுங்க. அது தப்பா இருந்தாலும் மைனஸ் மார்க் கிடையாது. And மற்ற டீம்ஸ் எத்தனை டீம் wrong answer எழுதுறாங்களோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு +1 bonus கிடைக்கும். Provided you wrote the correct answer. Okay. Once again, all the best. Let us all questions will come with options. We just have to write A, B, C, D or E. Which is the order note with respect to scientific names? Fox, rhesus monkey, black rat, Indian cobra, Eurasian otter. So, you answer just A, B, C, D, E. Option name. Remember, 10 seconds you research. Okay, even if you don't know, write something. Cut, please. Okay, பாத்துட்டீங்களா? Volunteers பாத்துட்டீங்களா? Volunteers ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கங்க, ஒரே ஒரு ஆன்சர் தான் பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, அவங்க அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் மாத்தி சொல்றேன் அப்படினு சொன்னா அதெல்லாம் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. ஓகே. Then ஆடியன்ஸ் தயவு செய்து அமைதியா இருங்க. தயவு செய்து அமைதியா இருங்க. நீங்க எல்லாரும் வந்து நம்ம காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் and இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகே. டிபார்ட்மென்ட்க்கு பேரு நல்ல பேரா இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்க. Fine. The answer here is monkey நினைக்கிறேன். Yes. Others are tautonyms. Tautonyms na first and last names are same. For example, fox வந்து ulpus, naja, Eurasian otter வந்து lutra, like that. Okay. Let us come to the next one. Right? How many wrote the right answer? Team A and B. A and B. A and B +4 and 9 +8 9 3 9. Okay. Right. World Elephant Day is celebrated on which day? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of August. Answer தெரியலனா டக்குனே ஏதோ ஒரு ஆன்சர் எழுதுங்க. Since it was the starting point, கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ண, இனிமே வெயிட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஆன்சர்ஸ் பாத்துங்க. Fine. I'm showing the answer now. It is 12th of August. Option C. Right answer is correct. Either A and D. See, A and D को 9 marks provided. Okay, next. What is the instrument? What does the instrument fluorimeter measure? Permeability, electrical power, fluorescence, viewing the colon, and hardness. A, B, C, D, or E. Just write something. Here comes the answer. It is option C. Once again, option C. All the 16. In the Let's come to the next question. Okay, thank you. Next one. Which is the vowel that is not on the top row of a British keyboard? There is only one vowel that is not on the top row of the British keyboard. A, E, I, O or U. Don't write the name of the vowel. Write the name of the option. Okay. Adu one letter, idu one letter. Confuse pannidhu. Okay. Paathukinga. The option is A. I'm sorry. Option is B. A. Okay. Sorry. So team F மட்டும் எழுதுங்க. A B C D எழுதுங்க. A B C D 6 marks each. Next, Jagriti platform. E-Jagriti platform is an initiative from which ministry? E-Jagriti is the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of MSME, that is Micro, Small and Medium Industries, and Ministry of Rural Development. நம்ம குவிஸ் சம்பந்தப்பட்ட சில டாபிக்ஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்து மற்றதை விட்டுட்டு பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, we are in the science quiz now, so இதுல 2 or 3 தான் science related-ஆவே இருக்கு. So shall we see the answer? The answer is option A, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So option A எழுதிக்கோங்க. யாரு? Team A and F. A to F to come 9 months. Next, Global Summit on Traditional Medicine 2023 was organized along with somebody by Ayush. It was the UNO, UNICEF, UNIDO, WHO, IMCA. Okay. Answers pathunga. Here comes the answer. WHO, which is option D. Option D. Team A and C. A and C to 9 marks. Next. What is the technical term for a single virus particle? Is it virion, virion, virulent, viral, virus? Okay, options pathunga. Answer is virion. B, option B. So all teams, team C, these are 6 marks. Okay, next. Pick the order now. Arachnology, entomology, phytology, malacology, myrmecology. இது அஞ்சுமே branches of science. இதுல ஒண்ணு மட்டும் வித்தியாசமான விஷயங்களை படிக்குது. மீதி நாலும் வேற மாதிரி விஷயங்களை படிக்குது. Okay, பாத்துட்டீங்களா? The answer is phytology, option C. Others are invertebrates. Arachnology studies about spiders. So team D. Okay. Arachnology spiders. Entomology is about insects. Malacology is about shells. Okay, snails and similar animals. Myrmecology is about ants. Phytology is other name for botany. Phytology is other name for botany. Okay. Which bank launched Remit First to India, a zero-fee digital remittance platform for non-resident Indians? Is it HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, IDFC First Bank? இந்த கேள்விக்கு மட்டும் ஆன்சர் தப்பா எழுதினா மைனஸ் மார்க் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, shall we see the answer? The answer is IDFC First Bank. அந்த ஸ்கீம் பேரை பாருங்க, Remit First. அதுவும் அந்த கேபிட்டல்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, Remit First to India. Okay, so how many right answers? Team A and E. A, E, 9 marks. Next, what's the length of the Asian black-thighed falconet, a small bird of the falcon family? Falcon na கழுகு மாதிரி நல்லா பெருசா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்னா, this is relatively small. So falcon size என்ன இருக்கும்? அதை வச்சு பாருங்க, 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 21, 27, 33. So it's relatively small, I said. So எதா ஒன்று கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Right? We'll see the answer. The answer is option B, 15 centimeters. Already we are now. Okay. So except team D, but 6 marks கொடுத்தாங்க. Except team D, 6 marks. Next. name of the AI-powered tool launched by the government of India to generate structured minutes of Grama Sabha meetings? So Grama Sabha meetings put a AI-powered tool kondu poitaanga. Adu repair enna Sabha Star, Adalat Mama, Sarpanch Samvad, E-Gram Mission, Vikshit Panchayat. So, guess pani எழுதியாச்சா, right? Papa. Answer is A. Sabasa. Okay. Anyone wrote the right answer? தெரியாத ஆன்சருக்கு ரிஸ்க் எடுக்காம என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்னு பாருங்க. இது எல்லாருக்கும் நான் சொல்ற அட்வைஸ். தெரியாத ஆன்சருக்கு क्वेश्चनல ஏதாவது க்ளூ கிடைக்குதான்னு கேளு பாருங்க. Okay, all questions in competitive exams are asked and framed in that manner. உங்களுடைய knowledge மட்டும் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணாம அறிவையும் டெஸ்ட் பண்றதுக்காக. Okay, next. Seeds of plants generally have one or two dash leaves. Branch leaves, stem leaves, veinate leaves, seed leaves, fruit leaves. Okay, we'll see the answer. Answer is option D, seed leaves. Okay, A, C and F. இப்போதான் சொன்ன அடுத்த क्वेश्चनல மூணு டைம் ஆன்சர் சரியா எழுதல. Okay, A, C, F 8 marks. Next, what name is given to the scientific study of grasses? Agrostology, homiletics, tonetics, paromyology, phenology. Scientific study of grasses. Okay. இதுல நான் grassology னு ஒன்னு போட்டுருந்தா அதை மார்க் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. Unfortunately போட மாட்டேன். The answer is agrostology. Option A. Option A. C and D cover the other 6 marks. Next. In which year did a man-made object first escape Earth's gravity? A man-made object first escaped Earth's gravity in which year? 1951 or 53 or 55 or 57 or 59? Which was the first satellite to defy the gravity and go out of the Earth's gravitational pull? It was Sputnik 1 and Team C gets 10 marks. Team C gets 10 marks. Next, what is the name of the third ship of the Nilgiri class? Project 17A class, delivered to the Indian Navy this year recently. These are all made in India ships. Okay, Shivalik, Shengotai, Sivasakti, Kaveri, Himagiri. Okay, let us see the answer. Answer is option E, Himagiri. Himagiri. Nilgiri series la Himagiri. 2 and F, sorry, B and F get 9 marks each. B and F. Next, which state hosts the 28th Conference on E-Governance, NCEG 2025, very soon? That is on 22nd and 23rd of September. Is it Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha? So just pick your answer very quickly. So, see the answer. Okay. அங்க கேக்குறது ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. He is there just to guide you. அப்படி கிடையாது. He is there just to see your answer. Okay, அவங்க கிட்ட எதுவும் பேசக்கூடாது நீங்க. Team members எதுவும் பேசக்கூடாது. ஏதாவது அவங்க தப்பா சொன்னாங்கன்னா கேளுங்க. இல்லைன்னா பேசாதீங்க. The answer is A, Andhra Pradesh. How many teams got it right? Team E gets 10 marks. Next. Swayam portal with the free artificial intelligence courses was launched by which ministry? Okay. So in the round la main ah வந்து நம்ம current affairs and science concentrate பண்ணிருக்கோம். உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஆனா அடுத்த ரவுண்ட் இப்படி இருக்காது. Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Education. The Swayam portal on artificial intelligence courses. Right. The answer is Ministry of Education. Option E. Option E. A and F get 9 marks each. A and F. Next. Which chemical element has the symbol Re? Is it rhenium, rhodium, rhodium, ruthenium, or radon? rhenium, barium, rhodium, ruthenium, radon. Okay, the answer is option A, rhenium. Except team F, all others get 6 marks. Next, Pobitora Wild Sanctuary is located in which state? It is in news recently. Manipur, Karnataka, Odisha, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. If you do not know, just make a guess, that's all. You will see the answer. The answer is Assam. Okay, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Supreme Court passed some order based on it. Team F 10 marks. Right, and the last question. Where was the slit eye shark? Slit eye shark recorded for the first time ever in 2025. So, in 2025, they have discovered a new species of shark, named it as slit eye shark. Was it in Karcharan sands of the Red Sea, Great Chagos bank of the Indian Ocean, Gulf of Mannar region of Bay of Bengal, Florida currents of Gulf of Mexico, Labrador currents of Hudson Bay? So this is the last question of this round. Let us see the answer. The answer is option B. Option B. Okay. Option B. A and F. 9 marks to A and F. Okay. So, what the side by side add we will go to the next. Thank you, volunteers. We can now leave. We will go to the next round straight away. So that was the semi-finals for you. We come to the finals now. Okay, the first round of the finals is called fact analysis. In this round, each team will be asked 2 questions. Both of them are 2 choice types. True or false, yes or no, this or that, and the madri. Both are 2 choice types. Correct answer plus 12, wrong answer minus 3. Okay, right. So let us start from team A. Team A, here are the 2 questions. Kerala suffered from a second outbreak of Nipah virus in September 21. Is it a zoonotic virus? Yes or no?
Yes.
You said yes, and that is the right answer. Nipah virus is transmitted to humans mainly from bats. So there is 12 marks to them. And next. Vinegar contains acetic acid. It is perfectly suited to preserve foods. It works because most of the microorganisms responsible for destroying food cannot live in acetic acid. You said true. That's the right answer. Most of the microorganisms cannot live in acetic acid. There are a few exceptions like acetic acid bacteria. Okay. What are the reasons? Right. Next we come to team B. A coil of wire around an iron core becomes a magnet when current passes through the coil. How is such a coil called? Solenoid or twirl? Two option solenoid or twirl. Solenoid is the right answer. Okay. You'll get your second question now, team B. You got 12 marks already. Nitrogen is a group 6A element having 6 outer electrons. Each nitrogen atom needs 2 electrons to achieve a stable noble gas structure with 8 electrons. True or false? Tell me the answer. False is the right answer. It needs 3. Okay, and it belongs to group 5A. So you get 12 more marks. We come to team C. A fisherman in Scotland's Aberdeen made news in late August 21 for catching a very rare lobster of a particular color. It is said to be 1 in 2 million. Other 2 million lobsters, in the color. Was it a green or blue color? Blue. Okay, you get 12 marks, team C. Let us come to your second question. NEOs or NEAs are near-Earth objects or asteroids that have a potential of crashing into the Earth at one point of time. Was the 1000th NEA spotted and identified in August 2021 and named 2021 PJ1? Yes or no? Is it? Yes. As we talk about this, you get another 12 marks. Today there is a near Earth object passing some 45,000 kilometers away from the Earth. Okay, let us come to team D. Climate disasters have increased manifold during the past few decades. According to World Meteorological Organization, by how many times have such disasters increased? At least by 7 times or 5 times. Climate disasters 7 மடங்கு அதிகமா இருக்கு இல்ல 5 மடங்கு அதிகமா இருக்கு? 5 times you say, and that is the right answer. These are the climate disorders: cyclones, wildfires, hailstorms, tornadoes, droughts, blizzards, earthquakes, avalanche, volcanic eruption, tsunami, flood, landslide. Okay. இதுல இந்த blizzard தவிர மத்த எல்லாம் இந்தியால மீட் பண்ணும். ஆனா earthquakes அதிகமா இருக்குது. Tornadoes அதிகமா இருக்கு இந்தியால. Okay, let us come to the next one for you, team D. Has the IUCN stated in September that around 37% of the world's shark and ray species are facing extinction? Yes or no? Is it yes, and that is the right answer. Sharks and rays, நிறைய species வந்து அழிஞ்சு போகக்கூடிய நிலைமையில இருக்கு. Next, we come to team E. Ready? When using the gas laws, temperature must be expressed in centigrade or degrees C. The zero in this scale is the lowest possible temperature. True or false? The answer is false. The lowest possible temperature is in Kelvin scale, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Okay, let us come to your second question. A scientific theory or law is not evaluated on whether it is right or wrong, but on how useful it is in describing, explaining, and making predictions about some aspect of the world around us. Is it? Scientific theory is whether it is right or wrong, but on how useful it is. Okay, right, you're right. Plus 12. I assumed otherwise. Let us come to team F. Phosphorus has almost similar chemical properties as those of arsenic, antimony, and tin. True or false? So false, not tin. It must be bismuth in place of tin. Arsenic, antimony, and bismuth, not tin. So you get plus 12 team F, and we come to the next question. Which of these is a type of synthetic rubber? One that is made by addition of sulfur. Mercaptan or thiokol? Mercaptan or thiokol, which is got by adding sulfur. You said mercaptan, it is not a rubber. Thiokol is a rubber. Mercaptan is also got by adding sulfur. Hydrogen sulfide is right. But mercaptans are gases which are used to give smell to our cooking gas. Cooking gas has no smell. Okay, right. So that's the end of the round. We move on to the next round. Okay, audience error criteria is buoyancy responsible for the absorption of water from the soil and conducting the upper parts of the plant through the xylem. Okay, the answer to that is osmosis, not buoyancy. Next. Which of these animals are introduced in the deep forest in India in late 2021 and early 2022? African cheetah and Gujarat lion. Which was cheetah? It was cheetah which was introduced in some deep forests in India. Okay, some survived, but many of them perished. Next, logic fusion round, a round with 6 questions. Rebus-based questions. Rebuses are logical puzzles. I will show you an example. A correct answer will get 15 marks. Okay, it says 15 marks. But it's okay. Let us give 15 marks for a right answer. Or do right. I'll show you an example. You can see 3 characters all holding a gun. The gun doesn't matter, but they all belong to a category of character called James Bond. So, single bond, double bond, triple bond. The answer is triple bond. Okay. This round we start from team F. In this round, whichever team gives the correct answer will be given 15 marks, and the next sitting team will get the next question. And timing, a few seconds time will be given only for the first team. Let us say around 10 to 15 seconds based on the toughness of the question. Once question pass aayidhuchna, adukapra only 2 or 3 seconds the time program. Okay, categories pass panni. So this round comes in the reverse order. We are starting from team F. Team F. The final picture la enna nadandirukku konjam paarenga. There is something which has happened to the car. Okay, so what to say? Passing to team E, team D, team C, team B, team A. First picture la irukadena AC odukuringala. AC plus U, ACU. Okay va? Last picture la car ku enna nadandirukku paarenga nu sonna. Car puncture aayirukku paarenga. கார் மீதி டயர்ல தெரியுதுல எவ்வளவு கிளியரா இருக்கு. பட் ஒரே ஒரு டயர் மட்டும் அறுந்து போயிருக்கு. பஞ்சர் ஏசியு பஞ்சர் அக்கு பஞ்சர் is a Chinese naval treatment. So 15 marks to team A. Again we start with team F. Team F இது உங்களுக்கு question. Box I, right? Box IT, the ore of aluminium. You get 15 marks team F. And team E, this is yours. The word has a 3-letter name. Okay? The 3-letter name is half of animal. Fine, team D. Team C, நான் பேசுறது கவனிச்சீங்கன்னா நான் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஆன்சரே சொல்லிட்டேன். Team F, அது boat ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா? I said half of animal. Ani. What ani? அதான் சொன்னேன், நான் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஆன்சரே சொல்லிட்டேன். See, this is another one thing which people of this generation have come to because of constantly looking at the screen. Even when someone is screaming in front of you, yeah, முன்னாடி கத்திட்டு இருந்தாங்கன்னா கூட அதெல்லாம் நம்ம காதுல வாங்கிக்கவே மாட்டோம். எங்க ஜெனரேஷன்லயாவது இப்படி வாங்கி இப்படி விட்டுணும்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ அது கூட கிடையாது. இங்க வந்து அப்படியே இருக்கு. Listen. உங்க கிளாஸ்ல டீச்சர் நடத்துறத கவனிச்சாலே பாதி எக்ஸாம் எழுதலாம். அதே மாதிரி மாஸ்டர் பேசுனத கேட்டாலே பாதி ஆன்சர் பண்ணிடலாம். Right. Let us come to team E again. You have to use a 3 letters for the go picture. Car னு மட்டும் நினைச்சிடாதீங்க. கார் நீங்க நினைக்க கூடாதுங்கிறதுக்காக டாக்ஸின்னு போட்டு yellow கலரும் போட்டு. சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
மைக் கொடுத்து.
சரி விடுங்க. டீம் டி,
மைக்.
டீம் சி,
மைக் கூட.
கார்னு சொல்லிடாதீங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். அதான் கார்லயே வந்து கத்துனால திரும்ப கார்னு தான் சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. ஓகே. டீம் பி, கேபேஜ். டாக்ஸிக்கு இன்னொரு பேரு கேப். நான் yellow கேப்னு சொல்ல வந்து yellowல நிறுத்தினேன். டாக்ஸிக்கு இன்னொரு பேரு கேப். Cab, bag, E, cabbage. So team A gets 15 marks. We start with team F. Team F. Answer clue. The type of plant. Botany la padichirupinga. In the type of plant, other type of plant. Most of the plants that we see of this type only. No. Dicot. ரெண்டு cot இருக்கிறதுனால di. Okay, right. Let us come to team D. Team D. Mind the position of the small letter. அது எங்க இருக்குங்கிறத வச்சு ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. அண்ட் உங்க காமன் லைஃப்ல இந்த மாதிரி முடியறது என்ன அப்படின்னு கரெக்டா think of a substance whose name ends like this. Ginger. Okay. Ginger is the right answer. Logic என்ன சொல்ல முடியுமா? G in G. Okay, G in G and here ginger. Okay, let's go to audience now.
Charge போடு. G. iMac. ஐபசி. அது என்னது? பீகாருக்கு முன்னாடி என்னது?
What is IUPAC? Oh, expansion service. Okay, thank you. IUPAC. IUPAC, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry and Chemistry. Right. Yes. Link. No. The answer is Larry. His name is Larry King. Okay. Right. The clues are from botany, but the answer is from chemistry. Yes. Yes. This is Mendel. Gregor Mendel and Leaves. Both Mendel and Leaves are from botany, but the answer Mendeleev is from chemistry. Okay. Right, so we have a round called Big Stone, Small Profit. This has been a penultimate round in the quiz. The next round, namely, what is it? Quick fire visuals will be the last round. Okay. In this round, each question will be a yard long. Not yard. Okay. It will be a mile long. Okay. The correct answer will give you 15 marks. Okay. Right. Let us see an example. I'm not going to read out this question. Most of the questions will look like this. Okay. But the answer will be very simple. Okay. So let us go into the quiz. This is the first question coming to team A. Rules are the same as the previous one. In a single-celled microbe, the cell structure is simpler than that of other organisms, as there is no nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Instead, their control sentence containing the genetic information is contained in a single loop of DNA. What is that single loop of DNA called? Ribosome. Team B, Team C, D, E. No, prokaryotes are those organisms. No, I am asking for the single loop of RNA. Okay, it is called a bacterium. Fine. Who said prokaryote? Team E. You can give mark to team E. Okay. Though I have mentioned bacterium, it broadly mentions about all the animals like that. So we can give 15 marks to team E and start with team F. It is derived from a word meaning ground or soil, or sometimes universe or creation. The modern English word derives from the Germanic earth, E-R-D-E, meaning ground. They merely signified the ground beneath our feet and were adopted for the planet later on. What are we talking about? We are talking about planet. What planet? The ground beneath our feet. Can't be simpler than this. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D. Sir, yes, sir. I am standing just 5 feet away from you. The answer he said is earth. Okay. On the part, the modern English word derives from the Germanic earth. ERD, Germanic word earth. And where in the ground beneath our feet. Planet. In the moon, what is the earth in the putting us to team D. Okay. Use your brain. Team E, this is your question. It is a genus of unicellular ciliated protozoan commonly studied as a representative of the ciliate group. It is widespread in freshwater, brackish and marine environments and are often very abundant in stagnant basins and ponds. It is used in laboratories to study which biological processes. What creature am I talking about? Ciliated. Be very specific. Okay, team F. Moss. Team B. Team C. Team D. Is it amoeba? Okay. We are talking about Paramecium. I wanted you to be very specific. The specific answer is Paramecium. None of the 16th answer. Again, starting from team E. I was born on the 11th of February 1847 at Ohio. I was deemed difficult by my school teachers due to my hyperactive tendency. So I was homeschooled by my mother. I published my own newspaper called Grand Trunk Herald. I died due to diabetes on October 1931 in Glenmont, New Jersey. Please. I can't keep all the people interested. Small was overflowing, pin drops everything. Full person. Okay. I was the first person to project a motion picture on the 23rd of April 1869. You owe me for a great many inventions. Who am I? Team E. Stephen Hawking. No. Stephen Hawking 1860. Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, that was a nice try. Thomas Alva Edison is the right answer. Team B gets 15 marks. The answer is Thomas Alva Edison. Now I'll ask this question to Team A and other and the round is stopped anymore. When discovered in the year January in 2013, okay, it was still then the largest known structure in the universe. A large X group named huge LQG. It would take 4 billion years to cross it if you are traveling at the speed of light. That light வேகத்துல போனா 4 million years அது cross பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும். Okay. And X is an active galactic nucleus, AGN, a compact region at the center of the galaxy thought to surround a supermassive black hole. The huge LQG is a system of 73 X's which at the widest point is 4 billion light years wide. Identify what is X. The question pass ஆகாது. A length of the audience because we are nearing the end of the round. Okay, this is nebula. No, it is a quasar. Okay, quasar means quasi-stellar radio source. நான் இந்த ரவுண்ட் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடுறேன். Okay, ரொம்ப டைம் ஆச்சு. We'll just go to okay, சரி இந்த ரவுண்ட் என்னன்னு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, உங்க buzzer வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Just அப்படியே டச் பண்ணி விடுவாங்க. ஓகே, யார் ஆல்ரெடி பிரஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு buzzer?
நாங்க ஒரு மட்டும் டச் பண்ணுவாங்க. வருது.
So whichever team presses the buzzer first, their buzzer light will turn green. Okay, their buzzer light will turn green. உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடியே யாராவது பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடியே யாராவது பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, ஜஸ்ட் அந்த மாதிரி கிரீன் கலர் லைட் வந்துட்டு போகும். கிரீன் கலர் லைட் வந்துச்சுங்கிறதுனால நீங்க பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறது, வந்துட்டு போயிடுச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி யாராவது பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். So the correct answer here is going to give you 5 marks. Wrong answer -5 marks. Okay, right answer 5 marks, wrong answer -5. Okay. And since this is the buzzer round, this is going to be the last round of your quiz. Okay. Please, I am standing a little bit far away. Now try to give the answer loud and clear. இன்னொரு விஷயம், உங்க டீம் பேர் நான் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். ஓகே, so எல்லாமே விஷுவல்ஸ் தான். Let us go ahead. What type of reaction is shown here? நல்லா பாருங்க. Protons hitting something and finally something is formed. What type of reaction is shown here? Yes, team F. Fusion. That's something. Okay, you are right. It's nuclear fusion. Okay, next. Eyes on the screen. Screen partner. What flower is this? Okay, no one attempted. The answer is iris. The flower named after a part of the eye, or a part of the eye is named after it. What is this? Very simple. Team. Very simple. Come on. Yes, team E. Front camera.
Mic.
Sir, front camera is in the camera. What purpose? Web camera, front camera. Okay, fine. It's a web camera. Okay, right. So team E gets +5. Next. Which trees' leaves are these? Watch closely. It's a drought-resistant tree. நிறைய இடங்கள்ல மழை பெய்யாதுன்னா இந்த மரத்தை நட்டு வச்சிருவாங்க. அந்த மரமாவது அந்த கட்டைகள் அதுவாது ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும். நாம அந்த கட்டைகளை எல்லாருமே பார்த்திருப்போம். They are used in construction. Is casuarina or south? Okay. Next. What bone is darkened in this picture? Yes, team F. அடிக்காதீங்க, எனக்கு கேக்குது நீங்க இந்த பண்றது என்ன அடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஓகே, அமுக்குனா போதும். skull bone. No, that is not a right answer. எல்லாமே skull bone தான். Okay, so you will get -5. It is a frontal bone. Frontal bone. Each bone has a name in the skull. Okay, not only in the skull, almost in all parts of the body. Each bone has a name. -5 to team. Yeah. Next. Yeah. What is this man's profession? I'm sorry. The question cancel pannu ena I forgot to turn on the buzzer. Okay. Next question poidom. It is a well done. Okay. Name the simple organic molecule. Team F. Methane. Okay. Team F gets +5. Next. Name this person from the IT team F. Satya Nadella. Right answer. So Satyanandan கேட்டேன், அந்த அளவுக்கு தான் நான் ஹியரிங் இருக்கு. ஓகே, so be louder. ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா தெரியுது தைரியமா சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க பசர் பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தானே சொல்றீங்க. Why are you not raising your voice? அந்த ஃபேன் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க. ஏசி தான் ஆன்ல இருக்கு. அந்த ஃபேன் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க. Right, next. A simple symbol from electronic circuitry. Team F. Battery. So battery. Okay. So team F. Again, right answer. +5. Next. This crystal lattice is of which material? Team C. நீங்க அமைதியா நின்னு அவங்க பேசுறது எனக்கு கேட்கும். புரிஞ்சிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க ப்ளீஸ். Graphite is the right answer. Okay, next. +5 to team C. Okay, wow. Right, next. This is a young one. I want you to name the young one. Team A.
Duckling.
Team A said duckling. That's the right answer. Duckling is the young one of a duck. +5 to team A. We are in serial number 12. This round has 21 questions. I will stop at 18, leaving the last 3 if needed for a tiebreak. Start. A common spice with medicinal values. Team A.
Star anise.
Star anise or aniseed. Right answer by team A. +5. 5 more questions. This is the low team B. ISRO is the right answer. Team B got it right. The answer is ISRO. Next question, eyes on the screen. This is a device used for measuring weight. What is it called? Team F. Team F gets a -5. The answer is spring balance. Next, last 3 questions, last 3 coming up. Observe this leaf edge and tell the type to which it belongs. Leaf edge is shown. Is the other type of leaf edge. Okay, it is called entire or it is even and almost smooth throughout. Okay, சரி. Bay leaf பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, பட்டை. அதெல்லாம் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி தான். Last 2 questions. Give a single 6-letter word for a particle like this. Yes, team A. -5 to team A. The answer is virion. We already saw this word earlier in this quiz, which means we have come to the last question. And if there is a tie, we will make use of the next 3. Start. This is a warning sign that warns us about what type of radiation. A specific type of light ray. Yes. Not UV, this is laser. Okay. This is a warning about laser radiation. One point.
கால் பண்ண உடனே ஒவ்வொருத்தரா வாங்க, வந்துட்டு லாட்டை எடுத்து நீங்களே கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. எல்லாம் செட் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம சீட் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ டிஓசி கவரேஜ் தினேஷ் ராஜா அண்ட் ஜெகதீஷ் கார்பரேஷன் பண்ணுறோம்.
சார்ஜ் பார்த்தியா எடுத்த
Select Abdullah College, select College and Pon Sannu Priya, Swarna Maria. College, Mari and Abhishek. Next team, Polycross College, Aishwarya and Caroline. VOC College, Kanaka Durga and Maratha Rajam. And then next team is from VOC College, Lakshmanan and John Martin. The sixth place goes to Team D with 76 points. And Team B is a fifth position, 91 points. And position Team D, fourth position, with 76 points. Sorry. 98. Sorry, 98 points. 98 points. Team D. Team C got third position with 100 points. Second position goes to Team F with 1. Team B got the first position with 165 points. So prize distribution within 1 hour and program next program 1 hour முடிஞ்சிரும். So வேற எங்கேயும் போயிடலாம், இங்கேயே இருந்துருங்க. 1:30 இங்க இருக்க, எங்கேயும் போயிட வேண்டாம். 1:30 ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். வேற
பேக்ல மிடில் இருக்கிற டீம் 16C